to take a font from any place. In this instance, I'm showing you from FontBundles. It's the same if you go over to Design Bundles or all of Love's SVG. So we're just going to go through. These are just the free fonts, and I'm just going to pick this one. So this is the free font I want to get. I go down to where it says download free now, and I click that. It's going to open up where I want it to download. I myself have an actual file where I keep my fonts from certain places. In this instance, it's my FontBundles place. So I've clicked save. Now down here on my computer, now you have to remember I'm doing this on my computer, it shows me that I have downloaded this file. So this is just a quick way to get to it. So just click the up arrow, go to open. So now it's actually gotten me to open the file. I will back up to show you everything here. So this is my desktop. I've got a lot of crap on it. Here it shows my file for my font bundle. So I'm going to click that and open that. Then I'm going to go through and I've got to find the one that I just downloaded. So what I'm going to do is, some people worry because they see the zipper and they go, oh no, oh no, oh no, that means it's zipped. Double click it. Now you're going to see you've got two folders to choose from. Choose the font bundle one. Once again, double click it. Now you've got a bunch of things to choose from. What you're going to choose is you're going to go to Open Type. The reason I've always picked Open Type is because it's bigger than TrueType. That's the only reason. That's my only reason. So you're going to go to that. You're going to double click that, and this is going to pop open. It's showing you the font, and it's giving you an option to print or install. You're going to click install. And that's it. It's now installed. So now when you go and open, this is going to take a few minutes, Design Space, and we're going to go into new project right off the get-go. We're not even going to wait for everything to load up. There we go. We've got the mat. We're just going to type in, in my case, I'll just do AuntDi. Now I'm going to Dwayne, the spinning wheel of death. There it is. Now we are going to go up here to the font. Make sure that this is selected, your word. Click the arrow. And just to quickly do it, I am just going to search the name. Let's get rid of that first word letter. There's my font that I just loaded in to my computer, and we now get to use it in Design Space. So I hope this helped make it a little bit easier for you to understand how to get your fonts, download it, and then load it so that you can use them in Design Space. Like I said, this works for your free fonts, this works for paid fonts. It doesn't matter if they come from Font Bundles, Design Bundles, SVGs, the Hungry JPEG, even DeFont. They all will work the same, or you would do the same steps for all of them to get them into Design Space. So anyways, guys, happy crafting.